guys, welcome back to our channel Isha and Deepak, where we take you with us to exclusive places and experiences. Having said that, this is the continuation of our Nova Scotia series, and as we speak, we are now driving the incredible Cabot Trail, which has been the biggest highlights of discovering the Cape Breton region of Nova Scotia. I have to say, I feel speechless driving along this gorgeous Atlantic Canada. So far, we have loved every day at Nova Scotia because of its beauty and friendliness of people, and also because of how relaxed it is. Our next adventure is to stay in an RV in the middle of the town of Cheticamp, which is a traditional fishing village in northern Nova Scotia. We found this RV through Airbnb, and it belongs to this amazing couple who recently moved here. Since we have never rented a moving RV, we wanted to first start by living in a static one and see how we feel about it. The best part about this RV was that it was pet friendly and had a very reliable internet. Also, was pretty spacious for a small family.
Yeah, it's gonna be our first RV experience, right? I think this is the bedroom. This is the, what do you call it?
Living room.
Living room, right?
Study room, living room,
Living room,
anything.
study room.
That's a bunker bed for, people who want to. It's like basically a 4-seater, no?
Yeah, oh, okay. What is this?
This is a fridge.
This is a fridge. Nice, yaar. What? Okay, this is a freezer.
Yep.
Okay. These are some, okay.
Some pots and pans.
Wonderful, yaar.
They have the microwave, they have the oven, they have the stove,
Oh, wow.
they have a
This is
sing,
nice. They have TV.
they have a TV. They don't have, it's not a smart TV, but it works.
Oh, it's
And
not
they
bad.
have
It doesn't matter,
series.
yaar. It doesn't matter.
They also have, they also have games like Mario. All style.
You wanna play Mario here?
Yes. Alright, so let's show the
तो
bunker.
अभी तुम बड़ी हुई है नहीं हुई हो थोड़ी सी
नहीं, मैं अभी भी छोटी हूँ.
छोटी होगी okay that's fine our audience can understand that
So they have the small shower and bathroom in here. Fifi, what do you think about this place? You like it? Cute too. All set?
he said too see
Always set. After settling in, we still had some hours before it got dark, so we decided to drive along the Cabot Trail and stop at a beautiful spot to enjoy the sunset. This spot was a little tricky for Fifi, and I ended up carrying him most of the time, but we all had a wonderful time enjoying the breathtaking landscape. By the way, I'm not sure if you know that the Cabot Trail sunsets are extremely popular. After coming back at night, we decided to enjoy a nice and much needed bonfire. Believe me guys, it starts getting cold at night even in summer here. We had our own private space here even though there were a few RVs in this campground. We warmed up nice before we started preparing dinner.
ईशा जी कहाँ पहुँची तैयारी
ये देख रही हूँ. I think our poppers might be ready.
अरे
Let's try.
I'm hungry I'm telling you
I think they are ready. Okay.
हो गए और
Put the chicken in here. क्योंकि वहाँ का पता नहीं समझ नहीं आ रहा.
नहीं यहाँ हो पाएगा वो चिकन like that's the whole point
I think होना चाहिए.
so guys कहानी ये है कि ओवन ऑपरेट नहीं हो पा रहा है I don't know ऑपरेट नहीं हो पा रहा है या वो चल नहीं रहा है जो भी केस है उसके साथ
Actually पता नहीं बाहर वाला चलता कैसे. It's a little different than ours. तो मैंने पूछा है. Let's see.
यार मैं तो कच्चा भी खा लूँगा चिकन तुम जैसे जिस तरीके से तुम मैरिनेट करती हो ना सीरियसली मैं तो कच्चा भी खा लूँ
Alright, let's go and enjoy the bonfire.
चलो
Wait. आलू भुजिया.
वो पता है तुम्हारे को मेल ली थी सिर्फ
Indians जहाँ भी जाते हल्दीराम ढूंढी लेते, right? We enjoyed our starters while the chicken got baked, which by the way turned out amazing as usual. Mr. Fifi decided to stay inside the RV as it was too hot for him. After a while, we went to sleep after having an amazing chit-chatty night, just like we enjoyed. We slept great at night and woke up fresh to enjoy some coffee before we could start our day. Actually, work day. As most of you know that हम लोग 9 to 5 jobs भी कर रहे हैं. हमने like full time traffic अभी शुरू नहीं किया है. So we have to still
hopefully
do
soon
our-
hopefully soon
But-
soon we are going for that
But right now 9 to 5 jobs are on, so it's time to work. We had our morning coffees, we still have to have breakfast, so we'll quickly cook something, get ready for work and then sham ko we will explore more.
like traveling हमें पसंद है और ईशा जी का तो खैर like she just wants to be on the road.
Yeah.
Right?
If possible, I'll always be on the road.
On the road only.
It's time to go and get ready. Get some breakfast. Bye guys. After getting ready, we started our day jobs while enjoying the nature, also eagerly waiting for the evening to come so we could go out to explore. But don't you feel amazing to have this opportunity to work remotely? Hey guys. So जैसा कि आप लोग देख सकते हैं कि हम लोग बहुत बिजी हैं आरवी का पूरा एक्सपीरियंस नहीं ले पा रहे क्योंकि हमें बहुत सारा काम भी करना है, लेकिन टू बी अराउंड इन द वुड्स इज़ लाइक रियली अमेजिंग. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत अच्छी फीलिंग है. एज यू कैन सी दीपक अभी भी मीटिंग्स में लगा है या फिर कुछ काम कर रहा है. That's a life of content creators who still do 9 to 5. But long story short, what I wanted to tell you guys is that you should definitely experience the RV lifestyle, because अगर आप लोग नेचर से प्यार करते हैं एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू बी लाइक ऑलवेज ऑन द गो, आई थिंक दिस इज़ द बेस्ट वे और बेस्ट मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. जो आरवी में हम लोग रुके हुए हैं वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अमेजिंग है बिकॉज ऑफ 2 more reasons. वन, यहाँ के होस्ट बहुत अच्छे हैं. दूसरा, बाथरूम्स, लाइक यू ऑलरेडी नो दैट आरवीज़ के बाथरूम्स थोड़े छोटे होते हैं, सो दे हैव लाइक बिल्ट अप सेपरेट बाथरूम्स. ये लोग शावर्स के लिए $1 लेते हैं for 5 minutes, which is kind of stupid but cool.
No, actually I think they are saving water as well.
Yeah, they're saving water, but $1, which is not bad because they only gave us some more pennies. And what do you call that? यहाँ पे dollar को क्या बोलते हैं? Loonies. Loonies. They gave us loonies themselves. Another great thing about this RV is that it's pet friendly, so we could bring Fifi, which was very important to us because it's my birthday weekend and I wanted to celebrate with Deepak and Fifi both. As you have already seen, RV अंदर से.
I'm so sorry, I'm little busy here.
That's okay. you
Sorry,
guys
guys.
don't mind, right? I'm talking.
Sorry,
So मेरी भी अभी मीटिंग है 15-20 मिनट में, लेकिन I was like I should give you guys an update. प्रॉब्लम ये है कि यहाँ पे क्योंकि हम लोग 1 घंटा आगे हैं टोरंटो से, सो जैसे ही हमारे ऑफिस का टाइम ख़त्म होता है 1 ही घंटा बचता है बिफोर द सन सेट्स, विच इज़ काइंड ऑफ अ लिटिल annoying thing, but I'm looking forward to Saturday, so we have the whole day to explore. But for today, I think वही 1 घंटा मिलेगा हमको after work because we have so many meetings these days and it's getting so crazy with work. But we are managing. And this morning we couldn't go out as we had planned because we wanted to just sleep in. It was so comfy. The beds are very comfortable, guys. अंदर पूरा cozy है, बहुत अच्छा है. And तो आज हम लोग शाम को जाएंगे और कल सुबह we'll definitely go and take some drone shots for you guys and show you the place. Which we saw. I mean, of course, जो हम लोगों ने देखा है वो पूरी तरीके से कैमरा में नहीं उतार पाएंगे because it's so freaking gorgeous. लेकिन जितना भी उतार पाएंगे, we'll show it to you. Alright, now it's time to go back to work and do some meetings. Talk to you later. It was evening and time to start exploring the Cabot trail, which by the way has been consistently listed as one of the best drives in the whole world. Technically, you can drive the full Cabot trail in one day, but it's so full of scenic stops and activities you can do, you realize it's not easily possible to do that. If you ask me, the drive was every bit as beautiful as I had imagined. That's it for this video, guys. We have a lot more to show you and share with you, but you'll have to wait for the next episode for that. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button right now and subscribe to our channel. And we would love to see you in the next one. But before you leave, let us humor you with this trip exclusive husband-wife banter. I'm sure you guys will relate to it. Let us know in the comment section if you do. Until next time, bye.
सबसे हिलाने से तुमको अब खाना है, खाने के लिए मुंह बड़ा खोल देते हो।
फिर से
मैं यही करता रहूँगा मैं आज। और ऐसा खतरनाक भूख लग रही है, मैं बता रहा हूँ तुम्हारे को।
तुम्हें कब नहीं लगती? What is?
Don't talk nonsense with me, rubbish people.
आरवी से बात करेंगे अच्छे।
अरे करो।
ये नई मुसीबत है भाई यहाँ पे। मुझे इस तरीके से क्यों शूट किया जा रहा है? मैं साला क्या बंदा हूँ यहाँ पे नाच कर रहा हूँ।